Hey guys, what's up? Nursing here, back with another video, and today in this video I'm going to be talking about how you can be a full-time photographer and basically make a living doing photography. Now I know a lot of people have this wrong opinion that you can't really make a lot of money doing photography and it's really hard to make it in the industry, and at the same time photography is also one of the expensive hobbies out there. So because of that, a lot of photographers get discouraged and basically they don't really want to take photography as their main career. So you know and I know that is a huge problem for most photographers, but today I'll be showing you exactly how you can do your passion of photography and basically make a full-time living, basically shooting pictures of companies. You can basically shoot pictures of products, and there are a lot of things out there from which you can make a lot of money. So I'll be showing you exactly all of those stuffs in this video. So the first thing that photographers have to keep in mind is basically building your brand as a photographer and having a good set of portfolio. So I know a lot of photographers have this passion for photography, and they want to really make a lot of money doing photography and they want to get a lot of projects. But the problem is that they really don't have a good set of portfolio laid out in their website or in their blog, and that is really a downside, because the first thing that the client is going to look at is your photographs, and basically they'll be judging you as a brand as how much value you're going to give to the client through your photographs. So having a good set of portfolio is so important if you really want to make it as a photographer. And some of the tips which I can give you for getting setting up your portfolio is basically create 5 projects on different topics, and basically have a portfolio of at least 100 top 100 images, and set it up on your website or set it up on your blog, and get a Facebook profile and basically display it out there. And that can be your first start towards becoming a good successful photographer. The second point is basically niche and your target industry. So a lot of photographers make this big mistake of basically going too broad, meaning they're doing weddings out here, they're doing fashion photography, they're doing product photography, they're doing wildlife photography. And what this happens is generally people are going to definitely appreciate your photographs as a photographer. But the problem is, if you really want to basically make money in this industry, then you need to really niche yourself down into a particular industry. So the first tip which I can give you is choose your niche, and it can be basically shooting weddings. You can start with fashion photography, you can start with product photography, or you can even go even deeper into the niche market and basically just shoot restaurants, or just shoot doctors, or just shoot real estate. And by basically going hyper targeting into a particular niche, you can become authority as that photographer, or that real estate photographer, or that restaurant photographer. And basically it'll really help you get clients, get a particular type of clients, and basically it will really help you become an authority in your niche. So when you first start as a photographer,